How's it going, guys? I'm back. I'm gonna piggyback off of my last video and segue into this one, and that is, why should you drive Tail of the Dragon? And is it worth the trip down there? I guess that would depend on deer. I guess that would depend on where at in the country you are, if it's worth it to drive down there or not. But at least for me, you know, a 6-hour drive, 7-hour drive, I think it's worth it. Like I said in the previous video, I try to go down at least once a year. It helps that I used to live down there, so there's always a sense of home to me in that area. So even if it wasn't for Tail of the Dragon, I would still go down there every single year. But to me, I think it is worth driving down there, you know, once a year, twice a year if you can. Even if you just get to do it once in your life, at least being able to kind of check that off your list, I think it's worth it. And why do I think it is so worth it to go down there? Partially is the road. It is a fun road to drive or ride your bike on if that's more your thing. But there's tons of other roads in the area to go down there and explore while you're there. You can take your family down, go to Gatlinburg, Pigeon Forge, make it a family event, which is always nice. And I mentioned it a little bit in my previous video, but it's kind of cool to go down there and see all of the vehicles. When you're in an area like I am in right now, you don't get the chance to see those kind of vehicles very often. So it's kind of cool to go down there and see some Porsches and Corvettes and Vipers and Lamborghinis and McLarens. That's nice. And not only get to look at them or see them, but watch them drive and listen to them. That alone is almost enough for me to drive down there. I guess I'm a nerd in that sense. Oh well. Another cool feature is you have companies like Killboy.com, 129 Slayer that post up. Forgive me if I'm wrong, but I believe it's like 8 a.m. to 5 or 6 p.m. They take photos of your car and then they post them up on their website, and you can go on there and buy it. And it's kind of cool to have a sentimental item to remember your trip by. You don't get those on any other road that I've been on that I'm aware of, unless of course you get busted by a traffic cam or something like that, which those pictures are a little bit more expensive. I'd much rather pay Killboy $7 or $9, whatever it is, for his photos. And it is much higher quality. I'll throw up a picture of my car the last trip that I made. Killboy did a fantastic job. But the biggest reason I think you should go down there is I think every American, not just American, but every person that has the ability to do so should travel as much as they possibly can. The United States is such a beautiful country. There really is no need to travel outside of the United States. I think everyone should travel just as much as you possibly can. Before my son was born, we tried to travel at least twice a year. We'd usually do like one big vacation. I hope this is not a cop. We would try to do one big vacation followed by a short vacation. Sorry about that, my GoPro died. I believe I was talking about Killboy.com and 129 Slayer. If you ever go down there, just check out their photos. They do a fantastic job. And they even give you a couple different choices on like little logos to put at the bottom of your picture. I think you can have their logo, Killboy, on the bottom. You could have tail of the dragon with a dragon, and I believe there's another one you can pick, or you can just have a plain picture with nothing on it. Like I said, fantastic work. I don't know anywhere else you can go and have that done. It's like going to a theme ride or theme park, getting your photos taken on a ride. So shout out to Killboy. Slow down through this speed trap. I might make another video on this topic at some point in the future. I'm trying to make it to where my videos are shorter. I was trying to do like 20 minutes or so. Seems like you guys tend to like the shorter videos, which I have the attention span of a squirrel, so I get it 100%. So I'm gonna give this a try. Try and do 5-10 minute videos, maybe less. Maybe just throw in some scenic time lapses over time. See how you guys react to those. But comment down below. Tell me what you think. Do you go down there every year? Or do you just drive it when you are passing through? Or did you just go down there once and will never go back down again? Let me know down in the comments below. Please leave a like, subscribe for more content. I'm gonna try to upload twice a week. Try and find as many new roads as possible. How-to videos, project cars. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.